Wait, this isn't actually me. It's my AI avatar. And the craziest part? I created it in just a few seconds and create your own realistic AI avatar too. It's easier than you think, so let's dive right in.
Alright, let's start with the most important part, creating our AI avatar. For this tutorial, I am using ChatGPT, but you can also use Gemini or any other AI image generator that you have access to. The first thing you need is a clear photo of yourself. Try to use a front-facing photo with good lighting, because the better your reference image is, the better your AI avatar is likely to look. Now I am going to upload my photo to ChatGPT. Once the image is uploaded, we need to give the AI a detailed prompt describing the type of avatar we want to create. I have provided all the prompts I am using in this tutorial through the link in the description. You can access them for free and simply copy and paste them into your preferred AI tool. There are 3 main prompts included. The first one is for creating the AI avatar with a transparent background. The second one is for placing that avatar inside a professional YouTube studio. And the third one is for turning the studio image into a talking video. So you do not have to write these prompts yourself. You can simply open the prompt document, copy the one you need, and use it with your AI tool. Let's start with the first prompt. I am going to copy the transparent background prompt and paste it into the image generator. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or another image generation tool that supports this type of image creation. The goal here is to keep our character recognizable while removing the background, so we can easily use the avatar in different environments later. And there we go! As you can see, we now have a clean AI version of the character with a transparent background. This is going to be the main character that we will use throughout the rest of the tutorial. Now comes the fun part. We are going to take this avatar and place it inside a professional-looking YouTube creator studio. I am going to copy the second prompt from the document and paste it into the image generator. The prompt describes everything we want in the scene, including the desk, microphone, monitor, shelves, LED lighting, colors, camera angle, and overall studio design. We need to turn this still image into a talking video. For this, I have also included a third prompt in the document. I am going to copy that prompt and paste it into the video generation tool. One important thing here is that you also need to provide your English, voiceover, or whichever language you want your avatar to speak. You can create the voiceover in English, Urdu, Spanish, or any other language supported by your video generation tool. I will add my English voiceover here. Now I am going to move over to Google Flow for the video generation. I am going to select the video option and add my reference image. You can use another AI video generation tool as well. You have access to one. Now here is an important setting that you should not miss. If you choose a 9:16 aspect ratio, you will get a vertical video, which is ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But since we are creating a regular YouTube video, I am selecting 16:9. For this example, I am choosing a 10-second duration and generating one result. These are the settings I am using for this particular example. Now let's generate the video. This is the final results.
Hey, this is my avatar, which I completely generated with the help of AI for free. So stay connected, as I will be telling you the exact method of generating this.
But wait, there is actually a mistake in this result. Can you spot it? If yes, then comment what is the issue. Take a close look at the avatar. It does not look exactly like the character we created earlier. And there is a very simple reason for that. I forgot to provide the reference image properly. Because of that, the AI generated a different version of the character instead of consistently using my original avatar. This is an important thing to remember when creating your own AI videos. If you want your character to remain consistent, always provide the correct reference image and clearly tell the AI to use it as the reference. So let's fix it. I am going to add the correct reference image now. Once the image is uploaded, I am going to tell the AI. And now I am going to generate the video again. Let's wait for the new result. And there we go. Now the avatar is much more consistent with the character we originally created to use this image as the reference for the final result. So that is the complete process. We started with a simple photo of ourselves, turned it into an AI avatar, placed that avatar inside a professional YouTube studio, and finally turned the image into a talking video. And the best part is that you can reuse the same avatar for future videos and create completely different scenes whenever you want. Now, I want to know what you think. Would you use an AI avatar like this for your own YouTube videos? Let me know in the comments. And if you run into any problem while following the tutorial, feel free to mention it in the comments and I will try my best to help you. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and share the video. And if you want to see more practical AI tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one.